Happy Sunday to you all. Europe family, we are back again. And today we want to talk about our brother and our sister when carry matter come meet us with the family of Europe. You say abeg, this issue where we wan talk, abeg make we not do say we be woman make we dey the woman side, or we be man make we dey the man side, because now dem need advice to apply, both of them, to know who dey right and who dey wrong, and to amend their way. Because to dey scatter home e no good, because una know wetin e take to build home. Most of us una know marriage e no easy. Una know everybody e get im own for im house, but na the way wey e take full am up na e take dey okay. And most of us wey still dey find husband, God go give una life partner, and na so e be. So na so e be, my brothers and my sisters. Abeg, this issue, if we wan drop message, we no need insult. Abeg, we dey here dey learn, because this one na serious issue, no be matter say wey we go take dey play, or we go come dey insult the man or the woman. Anybody can make mistake, but the one wey we dey for here to talk na to amend, to make things go well, to make the husband and wife come together as one again, the way wey dem take start before. Na we dey for here, we no dey say make dem scatter. For my own. And this issue no be say na only me go fit judge am. You know say one person no fit judge wetin person go do. Na im make we bring am come out for here, make we discuss am according to the man and the woman. E say the ones wey many like now, una say e no good e no good o. The man go fit know say im do mistake, or the woman go know say e do mistake. And abeg, if una wan drop comment, make una drop comment like the woman na like this, or if na the man you wan come talk to, the man na like this. Abeg, so make una exercise patience. This matter na about husband and wife. You know say this issue e dey happen, we go dey say na because we marry different tribe. E still dey happen when we marry our own tribe too, because these two people na Benin dem come from. Then this man, he meet im wife for Europe here. Why the woman na im mama, im own mama na im carry am come this Europe before e know the man. And according to the lady, e say e no wan be marry now, but na im mama tell am say make im marry, settle down. After all, nothing wey e wan do again, make e just settle down, give am grandchildren. Say nothing dey the life as e see am, say grooving life no dey. Say I friend this boy, I friend that one he no want am, make e bring one particular person come for am, say this one na I love, na me wan marry, na im go sign. No be all this one when he wan do say he wan friend here, say he no dey after all those ones. So true the girl come reason am. Na e come say wetin mama talk e enter im mind, and na better thing na im mama talk. Na so e come take settle down with this man. He carry the man go meet im mama, say na this man he wan marry. But the first time I make mistake. The first time, the mama of the girl like this boy when they two dey friend, because according to the girl, say e never get serious suitor. No be say that is, he no take any of them. You know, young girl wey never marry, he say no be say him too get them many, but he get at least like 2 man, but he no take any of them serious because he never ready to marry. But him mama like this particular boy wey he marry before. Mama like am, no be say before, he like am. Even when mama dey talk sef, when dey tell am make e settle down, he dey let am dey know say this man wey he marry, so that time when he never marry, he say this one go make good man for am, say make he settle down. before him come settle down with the man. Say true they do marriage, no be say they do marriage. After everything, they two dey together, they don born one, they enter two. The man come dey change character. Anything wey the man wan do, e no dey let him wife dey know. The man, he wan buy land for country, e no let the woman know. And no be say they no get children, they don get 2 children. E no write any of him pikin name, e write him own name with him family name, the man family. E no dey do any property say na he with him wife or him children. And the worst part, e dey hide am. The girl sef no dey know. And him don forget say this life, anything wey you dey do, no matter how it is, good or bad, e must come outside. So the girlfriend for country, e know the husband. I no know as e come take hear. According to the girl, he say that they drag the land where the man come by last. They fight. That his family, they drag that land. The man no know. Now he go put hand for that land. So the issue come resolve say the man, he don lose. And the land, he buy am with big money. He come resolve say he don lose. The issue come reach that him friend hand wey dey Nigeria. That him friend get to call him girlfriend for here, say, why you no tell me as una wan go buy land? Una no know say problem dey that land wey una go carry for country. Now una money go loss so if una no carry lawyer put. Because wetin they try to talk, they say that land no belongs to the boy wey sell the land give him husband. And now him wife don confuse because he no remember say he buy only land for Nigeria. How come about him? He come tell him girlfriend say no, it's like you are mistaken. Oh, he not sure say they buy. He no know anything about land issue. He say but they call your name and your husband name. Now him get to say okay, he need to know wetin dey happen, or na him mama na him buy land, because him husband can never buy things when he no go let am know. Now he come say okay, I go let you know, I go give you feedback later. Na so they cut the call that day. He no understand because with him husband never discuss any land issue, anything issue. Now he come go to him mother, come tell her say, mommy, I no understand though. See, this my girlfriend for country, he call me say, see land where we buy. Abi mommy, you dey buy any land with my name, abi waiting. Mama say, you know my pikin, say if I wan do something, you go know. Even your brothers dem for country, they go know. The time when I buy land last, e don tey. Now I no dey for land issue. The one when I get, e don do. Me, I no dey buy any land. You no get wetin I feel when I go do, when I no go let you know. When you come dey confuse, say wetin come be the problem of this land issue? So when he confuse, as him husband come back for work, now he get to tell am say, my husband, see wetin my friend come tell me, but me I think say na my mama na him buy land where he no come let me know, because I no fit remember the time my mommy go do something where he no go let me know as a senior daughter. Now he come say, wetin come happen? He say no be say wetin happen issue, because the matter they say problem dey the land. Say if they no carry lawyer, say that they call our name, if we no carry lawyer, the money go loss. Now your husband say, na one small land when I be buy before. He say, so now you buy the land according to this girl. Now problem come. He say, why you no let me know? na me and you dey do things together. Even our children money, na your account everything dey. Everything about my children, money wey dey pay us, money wey dey pay my children, na your hand e dey. You dey do something, you no let me know. Why? Na so e suppose be. When the girl explain im own side for me finish, I tell am say make him rest, because e never know why the man do like this. Maybe the man do am as a surprise. Now he say no, no be say na surprise, because the man e don dey do this thing no be today. They don first see get one issue about like that, but this one no be land, this one na car. Na so they see do am. Later when the person carry am run, before im wife come dey know. So now the problem wey come dey ground, im wife say im husband don get different mind for am, say im no fit continue for that kind marriage. But for my own advice, I tell am say e never reach to comot for that house. E never reach to say you no go marry that man again, because we never hear from the man. So when I comfort the man say the girl with im mama wan dey do say dem dey rule am. Now I tell am say even though say the girl and im mama wan do say dem dey rule you, no be you go do something you no let your wife know. Because if dem dey rule you according to your word, according to the girl, and you dey aware, na your present the girl dey tell me say everything about your children money wey dem dey pay am, na you e dey enter hand, na you dey receive am. The girl sef no know anything, because the girl dey work, you sef dey work. Na the girl mama dey help dem dey hold children. The girl mama still dey work, but the time when im go dey, when the children, when im pikin go work, im dey house, na im dey help am dey hold children. So if na that kind word wey you dey talk, this woman no go fit assist this family, which say he love this family, he love im pikin marry you. And according to im pikin, the first time say he no too like you for marriage, but na im mama advise am put say you be man wey go make good home. Why now when he come marry you, wey don give you 2 kids, you wan come change am say the girl with im mama wan dey rule you? If actually true say dem dey rule you, the bank account, everything wey dey open, the girl no go put am for your hand, no be your bank e go pass dey collect money. So this word wey you dey talk, dem never confirm am say na truth. Na lie you just dey lie, just that you wan get another wicked mind follow your wife, and it's not good like that. No be so. The day wey dem join una two together, no be so dem say make everybody dey do im own. And according to the girl, e say anything wey dey do, you dey aware, na your name everything. But why e be say e reach im own turn, you wan buy land? If I talk say you buy am sef, because as dem come argue, the man come bring the land paper come outside. He bring the land paper come outside, im pikin, none of im pikin name sef dey inside the paper. None of im pikin name sef dey inside the paper. So na be wetin dey vex the woman now. He say e no fit marry man wey be like say children wey e born for am, e no take them like im own children. He say e better say e quit that marriage than say im go dey there dey pre ten d to the world say e marry, all the name of marriage. Moreover, the man e no take her like that. So now I come say this issue, only me no fit decide this case. I go bring her come out, make we the Hero family, make we sit down put talk this issue. Abeg, this auntie and this uncle need una advice. And right now the home don dey tear apart because of this issue of property. Abeg, I take God take beg una, those of us wey go comment, wey go talk put for this issue, abeg make una give us the solution. Abeg, because we dey here dey learn. And make una not see say this one, because a man don do you this kind of thing before, you can't judge am like that. No, you go look into this issue well before you go judge. Abeg, our men and our women. And my own advice, this man, the thing wey dey do, e no good. No be say I dey support the man, I no support am for one day. Even the man dey let am dey know say you no suppose. You wan do property na you and your family. We still be the family wey dey talk so. You and your wife and your children na im be the family wey Bible talk. You no suppose to do dis kind thing at all. E no good. But if na mistake, let dis be first and last. Im wife say dis one no be first time, dis one no be second time. Na im make am say e wan comot for the marriage. Na im make me say I wan bring dis matter come. Make we talk to the woman, make im mind calm down. Abeg, make we bring our mind together, make we talk well for dis issue. Because dis issue of land, property, all dis things na vanity upon vanity. All dis things wey we dey see for dis life, wey we dey pursue up and down, all na vanity upon vanity. Once person don fall, e don close eye say breath don stop, e don finish. You no know where all dis thing dey again. Na im make Bible say, what shall it profit a man if he gain the whole world and lose his soul? So na the issue na im make me bring am come dis platform, make we discuss am together. Abeg, make we no forget say dem dey wait for us. Hero family, we love you. See you next.